Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is Wednesday, the 11th of February, 2026. Just a quick one today. Late coming into the One Mind Wednesday party this week, having to deal with appointments and whatnot with some dental things. So that's all I'm going to say because my nervous system's already jacked after I had a lot of work done last week. So just wanted to stop by and say lifey things happen, and to remind you, as I'm reminding myself, of agency, that we have choice, that we don't have to accept what a professional might throw at us quickly in order to get us into an appointment. Um, I don't understand that world. I just don't. The conditions based on how you can make an appointment and when. Um, that's a whole nother thing for another time that I'm not going to focus on. I just wanted to stop by. I didn't forget about you. Life happens, as you well know. I appreciate all your good vibes and your prayers and your spiritual mind treatments and any good juju you want to send me. I know that there is an absolutely perfect and right outcome to all of this, for all of us, whatever might be going on for not just me, but for everyone. That's how we roll. Okay, y'all, thank you so much. I will see you again next Wednesday right here at One Mind Wednesday. Thanks for following. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the usual stuff that you do to support. And remember, we are all a part of the One Mind, which means we are all in this together. So, kindness matters. Love is the only answer. And finding good medical care is the best. I'm going to know and hold for that. All right. See you next week. Take care. Love you all. Bye.